I'm going to share some troubleshooting tips for how to fix a hearing aid if it's not turning on. Welcome to my channel. My name is Emily. I have a hearing loss in both ears and it is genetic. I was born with my hearing loss and created this channel as a support to other people who are deaf and hard of hearing, and also to support friends and family of people who are hard of hearing. I hope you can find some great tips on my channel. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you can get more excellent hearing content. I recently woke up and put my hearing aid in, and then when I turned it on, it didn't work. I thought, oh no, my ears don't work. But here are a couple tips that you can do to help your hearing aids work. 1, open the battery door and close it again. Turning your hearing aid on and off essentially power cycles it or jump starts it again. Sometimes the hearing aid battery is just a little cold in the morning and it just needs to be stopped and started again. Next, if that doesn't work, go ahead and check your hearing aid battery. Your hearing aid battery may have drained or died overnight. If that doesn't work, check your ear mold for any blockages, such as fluid in the tubes or earwax on the mold. A complete blockage of the tube or the ear mold makes it sound like the hearing aids aren't working. So you'll want to make sure that your hearing aid tubes are clear and that your molds are clean. If that doesn't work, go ahead and place your hearing aid in a dehumidifier. Sometimes the hearing aid may have moisture in it that needs to be drawn out. If that doesn't work, go ahead and contact your audiologist. There may be mechanical or electronic issues that need to be repaired by the hearing aid provider. I hope that one of the easy DIY tips that I shared will help your hearing aid turn on fast. Sometimes we take our ears for granted. I know I do. I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And leave a comment in the comments below if you have any questions or video suggestions. I'd love to make more and I look forward to making more videos. I hope you have a great day. Bye!